Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 7th, 2022. Blackberry, is this stock still a buy or is it a sell? I mean, we need to talk about this real quick. You guys can see that I got a price target on my chart, and the market did not give us that much strength. You guys can see that we've been waning and it's been getting weaker and weaker as time been going on. I'm going to address that today, give you all an update as to what I'm seeing on the chart regarding Blackberry. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to our channel, join the community, because I want to show you all that you can actually predict and anticipate price move without the complexities of technical indicators, without the complexities of fundamental analysis, trying to look at a company's earnings and their EBITDA and income statement and balance sheets and growth expectations. No, you don't need to know all of that. The only thing you need to know is what the market is doing with their own money. Yes, you cannot lie when it comes to you putting on positions. No, you cannot. You cannot fake it. The volume tells you who's been playing in the market, and the price bars tell you what that volume was trying to do. Once you understand that, you guys can literally eliminate a lot of this confusion and scratching of the head and try to figure out, okay, why is price going down? The earnings was fantastic. They blew it out the water. Why is price still going down? Because if you look at the price chart, it tells you that the market is weak. So I'm going to show you all that real quick into the market in Blackberry. But first, let's talk about the performance of the market against my last price prediction. Yeah, look at it. I did a video on December 21st, 22nd. I was playing the strength into the market in Blackberry. We cannot look at it. The market tried. We have to give the market credit because they wanted to elevate this price in Blackberry, but it wasn't strong enough. You guys can see that I had a price target maybe around $10 to $10.50, right? But we only saw price reach $9.50. That was it. That's the amount of energy that was in the tank that the buyers had to try to push this price higher. That was it. And we had multiple days to which we could have garnered some of that profitability out of the market. It was only 3.25%. That was about it. So if you didn't grab that then, back in January, and you were to get out the market now, yeah, you're down 20%. I understand, right? It hurts. But one thing we need to understand is that a lot of these YouTubers, the one who pushes, hold these stocks for the next 40 years, they are the ones that get you into this mind frame to, I guess I'm a holder now. I guess I got to wait until the price comes back up. I'm not in a hurry anymore. Matter of fact, I'm going to come in and buy the dip. Or matter of fact, the stock is on discount, so I need to make sure I put more money in a stock that's going down. No, that's not how this game is played. You guys need to understand, don't nobody care about you in these streets. It's a dog-eat-dog world. A lot of wolves are in the stock market. They're just here to take money. That's it. And you need to be the same way when you come in and play. Take the money right back from them. All right, so let me go ahead and get rid of this and show you what's been going on into the market in Blackberry. All right, so check this out. Let me zoom out and take a look at this market. So you let me know. What do you think? Seriously, what's been going on in this price in Blackberry? Every price bar you see is literally a daily price bar. You let me know where we're at. You let me know what this price has been doing. You tell me what the majority of the market is feeling about Blackberry. I don't want to persuade you. I just want you all to look at the evidence. This is what is before us. What do you think? Is this a bullish market or do you think this is a bearish market? From my perspective, it's bearish. Now, let's see. Can you understand why this market is bearish? I've just shown you basically by drawing one line that this market in Blackberry is bearish. What happened? Yeah, beginning of this month, ending of January, what happened? This market in Blackberry was able, going all the way back to March of 2020. Yeah, take a look. March of 2020. Blackberry started a fantastic trend. We even saw a short squeeze happen into the market in Blackberry. If you were to get into the market back in March 2020, and you got in out the high that came in Blackberry right here on the 27th of January 2021, That's 930%. There's no need for you to hold these stocks for 5 years when you get 930% in less than a year. And now you guys can see that the air is being let out of the bubble. We have now broken the trend. And one thing that we do on this particular channel is that we pay attention to when those type of things happen. We broke the trend. Let me zoom in and show it to you. Yeah, we broke this. So are you still bullish into the market in Blackberry? Because I can't be. Not when the market is telling me that the trend is broken. Now, let's see what's going on in Blackberry on a 3-day time frame. Okay, because just because I'm not bullish doesn't mean that the price is going to collapse neither. I mean, look at the price action in Blackberry. We're just pretty much trading sideways. This is not one of those stocks that you could hold for the next 5 to 10, 15 years. I mean, Blackberry has been trading since 2013. Look at this. 2013, the price has been bouncing between $16 to $4, right? I would say $16 to $6. Yeah, for 2013 to now, it's just been bouncing between that level. It hasn't been increasing as time goes on. The evidence is already here. So I'm not bullish and I'm not necessarily bearish. I'm just looking for the price to come down. The market here in Blackberry is weak. And you guys can see it. And I think you guys can also see that this could be the next level to which Blackberry could come in and grab some support. Okay. So let me see if I can identify it. So it's going to be around $6.50. That's going to be my first price target. It's for us to see this price in Blackberry come down to $6.50. My second level is going to be ultimately $6. And that's about it. Again, like I said, I'm not massively weak into the market in Blackberry, but the market is weak. Yeah, it's moderately weak. So we need to get prepared for this type of price action. Okay. So look at this. Even from the weekly perspective, the price in Blackberry wasn't able to maintain coming above that trend. Now, let's say, for instance, last week, the price action in Blackberry was able to come back up above that ascending line. Then again, that would tell us that the price is bullish, that the buyers are still dominating the market in Blackberry, but instead they attempted to do it last week and they wasn't successful. We just got to follow what the market is telling us and quit trying to be complicated with this. So if they're still weak, we need to be weak right along with the market and not try to come in and try to manipulate and paint what we think the market needs to do. Because this is what a lot of these YouTubers do. They formulate some numbers, some valuations to justify why prices should be where they think it should be. But the market doesn't act that way. It's telling us that it's weak. And we're going to continue to follow that. All right. So now let me go ahead and do this price prediction real quick. Like I said, I only got 2 price targets. I'm not massively weak in this space in Blackberry. I said the first area is going to be 650, right? So that would take us to around like another 12% for us to see this price go to 650. It's only 12% market move. And we're going to continue to play this weakness until we see price break back up above that trend. At least the market in Blackberry would have to break back up above this overall trend that started back in 2020 for us to become more bullish, or at least expect the price to start to go up and reclaim some higher prices. So my first price target is 650. You guys can see it's about 12% market move. My second area is going to be down here towards 6. It's about 18%. And that's about it though. From then, I mean, the market may just continue to consolidate and trade sideways and bounce in between, like I said, the $6 or the $4 price back up to 16. All right. So this is it. This is my updated price prediction, price target into the market in Blackberry. I want to know, what do you all think about this particular stock, right? Where do you think we're going to go? Bring it back over to the daily so you all can see it. 2 price targets. The first one, $6.50. The second one is right there around $6. All right, your turn. Give me your thoughts. Give me your price prediction. Give me your price target in the market in Blackberry before you go. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.